the button. Have you read this before?
No.
No, oh, this is one of my favorite books. And this one says the writer and the illustrator is Bill Cotter.
Then who is all the pictures?
Yes, he did all the words and all the pictures.
Is it real or fake?
It's a pretend story, but it's a fun story. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. That's an easy rule to remember. Seriously, don't even think about it.
But we can't touch it.
I don't know.
Can I go?
I gotta tell you, that's all I can think about now is pushing the button. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it.
We'll see.
What do you think will happen?
I don't know.
No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button just one little push. You think we should?
Yes.
You think we should push the button?
He turns yellow. That's what
Now,
happens.
I'm yellow. Push it again. Should we push it?
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen now?
It turns pink.
Now I'm yellow and polka dots.
Can I push it now?
I'm going to push it. Push it twice.
Okay.
Push it. No, I'm going to push it. I'm going to push it. 1, 2. Let's see what happens.
And then can I push it?
Ah! Now there's 2 of me.
Can I push it?
I'm going to push the button. Ready?
No.
Push it again. A bunch of times. Oh, oh. What do you think's going to happen now?
Maybe it's gonna be a wall.
Uh-oh. I think you were right, Emily. There's a lot of them. Oh my goodness. There's green, and there's orange, and there's purple, and there's polka dots.
He's so sad.
I know. Let's shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Oh, sit down, Carter. You ready?
Maybe.
All right.
Piss it.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the Larrys that fell out of the book.
He wins.
Okay, there we go. It says here to
what is-
scratch Larry's tummy to get him to go back to normal. That tickles. Oh, much better. But let's not push the button again.
He should.
You think he should?
I'll push it.
But that was kind of fun. Just a couple more pushes. The end. Thanks, guys. I love don't push the button.
Yeah.
All right.
Push it.